In this video, we're going to install STATA on your computer. Now, if you're planning on using STATA software in your university, you can skip this video. If you already have STATA installed in your computer, you can also skip this video. Otherwise, installing STATA in your computer is pretty easy. Once you purchase STATA through their website, they are going to send you a link to download executable file and then install the STATA in your computer. After you double click on that executable file, you're going to be greeted with this dialog. So you click next, next. So this is my full name. Anyone who uses this computer. So I purchased the STATA IC version, and then I'm gonna leave the destination folder as default. Click next, and then next, and then next. So STATA is gonna be installed in your computer in the next couple of minutes, so I'm gonna fast forward this video